The deep, dark delight. Unraveling the world of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, with its intense, often bittersweet flavor, has captivated palates and fueled debates for centuries. More than just a decadent treat, it's a complex food with a rich history, a fascinating chemistry, and a growing body of scientific research highlighting its potential health benefits. From its ancient origins to its modern-day artisanal forms, dark chocolate offers a journey of sensory exploration and well-being. A historical tapestry. The story of dark chocolate begins with the cacao tree Theobroma cacao, native to the tropical regions of Central and South America. The Olmec, Maya, and Aztec civilizations revered cacao beans, using them not only as a beverage but also as currency. They prepared a bitter, frothy drink called chocolatl, a word that likely gave rise to chocolate. This ancient beverage, far removed from the sweet confection we know today, was often flavored with spices like chili peppers and vanilla. 3. Spanish conquistadors encountered cacao in the 16th century and brought it back to Europe. The Europeans, however, found the traditional preparation too bitter. They began adding sugar and milk, transforming it into a sweeter, more palatable drink. The Industrial Revolution further democratized chocolate, leading to the development of solid chocolate bars and mass production. 5. The science of dark chocolate. The characteristic flavor and health benefits of dark chocolate stem from its unique composition. The key ingredient is cacao, which contains flavanols. These are a type of flavonoid, a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound. 6. They contribute to dark chocolate's bitter taste and are believed to be responsible for many of its health benefits. Theobromine, a mild stimulant, similar to caffeine, that can enhance mood and alertness. 7. Minerals. Dark chocolate is a good source of minerals like iron, magnesium, copper, and manganese. 8. Fatty acids. Primarily stearic acid, oleic acid, and palmitic acid. 9. Stearic acid, despite being a saturated fat, has been shown to have a neutral or even beneficial effect on cholesterol levels. 10. The percentage of cacao in dark chocolate determines its intensity and nutritional profile. Higher percentages generally mean a more bitter, less sweet taste and a greater concentration of flavanols. To be considered dark chocolate, it typically needs to contain at least 50% cacao solids, although many varieties contain 70% or more. Health benefits. A growing body of research. Numerous studies have explored the potential health benefits of dark chocolate, particularly due to its flavanol content. Some of the promising findings include cardiovascular health. Flavanols can improve blood flow, lower blood pressure, and reduce the risk of blood clots. 11. They may also help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key factor in heart disease. Brain function. Flavanols can enhance blood flow to the brain, potentially improving cognitive function, memory, and mood. 12. Some studies suggest that dark chocolate may even help protect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 13. Antioxidant properties. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, which can help neutralize free radicals and protect cells from damage. 14. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that dark chocolate may improve insulin sensitivity, which can help regulate blood sugar levels. 15. Mood elevation. Theobromine and other compounds in dark chocolate can stimulate the production of endorphins, which can improve mood and reduce stress. 16. It's important to note that most studies have focused on dark chocolate with a high cacao content, 70% or more, and that moderation is key. Excessive consumption of chocolate, even dark chocolate, can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. 17. Choosing and enjoying dark chocolate. When selecting dark chocolate, consider the following. Cacao percentage. Look for a high cacao percentage, 70% or more, for maximum health benefits and a more intense flavor. Ingredients. Check the ingredient list and choose chocolate with minimal added sugar, milk, and other additives. Processing. Opt for minimally processed chocolate, as processing can reduce flavanol content. Origin. Some regions and producers are known for their high-quality cacao beans. Storage. Store dark chocolate in a cool, dry place away from strong odors. To fully appreciate the complex flavors of dark chocolate, savor it slowly. Allow it to melt on your tongue and note the various nuances of taste and texture. Pair it with complementary flavors like fruit, nuts, or cheese. The artisanal renaissance. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in artisanal dark chocolate. Small batch producers are focusing on sourcing high-quality cacao beans, using traditional techniques, and experimenting with unique flavor combinations. This bean-to-bar movement emphasizes ethical sourcing, sustainable practices, and the celebration of the cacao bean's natural complexity. Dark chocolate, with its rich history, complex chemistry, and potential health benefits, offers a truly remarkable culinary experience. From its ancient origins to its modern-day artisanal forms, it continues to captivate and delight, providing a moment of indulgence and well-being. While more research is always beneficial, the current studies point towards dark chocolate, in moderation, being a valuable part of a healthy diet. The artisanal renaissance in the world of dark chocolate is a fascinating and delicious movement that's transforming how we perceive and consume this beloved treat. Here's a deeper look. Key characteristics of the artisanal dark chocolate movement. Bean-to-bar philosophy. This is a core principle. Artisanal chocolatiers often take control of the entire process, from sourcing cacao beans directly from farmers to crafting the final chocolate bar. 1. This direct involvement allows for greater quality control and traceability, ensuring that the cacao is ethically sourced and of the highest standard. Emphasis on cacao origin. Just like wine, cacao beans have distinct flavor profiles that vary depending on their origin. 2. Artisanal chocolatiers celebrate these regional differences, highlighting the unique characteristics of cacao from specific countries and plantations. 3. This focus on origin creates a more nuanced and complex tasting experience. Focus on quality and craftsmanship. Artisanal chocolate makers prioritize quality over quantity. 4. They often use traditional techniques and small batch production to ensure that each bar is crafted with care. 5. This dedication to craftsmanship results in chocolate with exceptional flavor, texture, and aroma. 6. Exploration of flavor profiles. Artisanal chocolatiers are pushing the boundaries of flavor, experimenting with unique combinations and infusions. 7. You'll find dark chocolate infused with spices, fruits, herbs, and even unexpected ingredients like sea salt or chili peppers. 8. This adventurous approach to flavor creates exciting and memorable tasting experiences. Ethical and sustainable practices. Many artisanal chocolate makers are committed to ethical and sustainable sourcing practices. 9. They work directly with farmers to ensure fair wages and environmentally friendly farming methods. 10. This focus on sustainability helps to protect the environment and support cacao growing communities. 11. Why this renaissance matters. Enhanced flavor and quality. The focus on high-quality cacao and meticulous craftsmanship results in dark chocolate that is far superior to mass-produced varieties. 12. Increased awareness of cacao origins. The artisanal movement has educated consumers about the diverse origins of cacao and the unique flavor profiles of different regions. 13. Support for sustainable practices. By choosing artisanal chocolate, consumers support ethical and sustainable sourcing practices that benefit farmers and the environment. 14. A more meaningful culinary experience. Artisanal dark chocolate offers a more profound and engaging culinary experience, allowing consumers to appreciate the complexity and artistry of chocolate making. In essence, the artisanal dark chocolate renaissance is about celebrating the true potential of cacao and elevating dark chocolate to an art form.